What's up guys, welcome back to our channel TechTube. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can share Google Map location. So firstly, I'll be teaching you guys a very easy step. So just follow me guys, and if you have any problem with it, just let me know in the comment section right away. So let's get started. Firstly, what you need to do is choose a location that you want to share with your friends or family or anybody, with your girlfriends as well. So firstly, just choose a location. So let me just choose this Dokdo Korean, and then you'll be having option which says share over here. Just press set, and then you'll be having options, many options over here. You can copy the clipboard, messenger, or with everything and anything like this. So that's how we do it guys. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away guys, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.